Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Happy Saturday to all of you, and thanks for tuning in for another watch face review. Now, the face that I have for you today is really geared for the ladies out there, and it's really perfect timing for the developer to release this now that summer is finally here, as it features a very colorful floral design. So I'm excited to be able to show some love to all our lady viewers, because this is another face that you're going to be able to download for free. The developer has once again shared his code generator tool with all of us. So if you want to add this one to your collections, then just make sure you click on the link to our coupon tool down below in that video description. Okay, so as I said right at the start, this one is really geared for the ladies, but hey, for the men out there that enjoy gardening or just maybe appreciate nature in general, then you may want to pick up a copy as well, because it certainly is colorful and it's a great face to have on for the summer. Now, besides the very prominent floral pattern on this one, it's also an easy face to read the time, because you have those oversized digits there right in the center of the face, and those black numbers really contrast nicely against those different colored backgrounds. And by the way, cycling through those themes is really easy, as you just need to double tap in the 9 position. Now, I would consider this to be a minimalist style watch face, because other than the time and the date above, you only have 2 other display features, with your total steps count shown on the left hand side and your power remaining there is on the right. And you can see both of those stats have been featured underneath your digital time. And yes, that time can also be set either in a 12 or 24-hour format. And before I forget, you also get some additional functionality built into this one, as there are gyro motion effects on the display, meaning some of those flowers are going to move when you shift the watch from side to side. And finally, this one comes preset with 1 customizable and 7 fixed app launchers. Alright guys, that's a recap of this fun, colorful, and floral designed all digital watch face from Splugen. And make sure you pick up a code for this one, because it's another paid watch face, but all of you are going to get a chance of adding this for free to your Samsung accounts. And the link to that code generator tool has been included down below in that video description. Thanks again for watching our review. Please continue to stay safe out there and take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you all in our next video. Until then, take care. Thanks again for watching our review, and if you liked it, then show us some love with a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends, because with your support, it really helps me keep the channel going so I can continue to offer you guys discounts, giveaways, and of course, fresh content. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, take care.